Good morning to everyone. Myself Krishan Kumar from Suraj School Rewari. Students, in a previous video on a chapter 5 arithmetic progressions and the exercise 5.3 up to the question 10. In this video, students, we are discuss from a question number 11. Okay, start.
Okay, students, let's start the exercise 5.3. Question number 11. Question is say, if the sum of the first n term of an AP is, it means question number 11. Sum of first n term, it means Sn. Sn is equal 4n minus n square. That is the sum of first n term of an AP. What is the first term? What is the sum of first two terms? What is the second term? Similarly, find the third, the 10th and the nth term of the AP. Okay, student, let's start. Let's start, student. First term. It's mean A1. A1, it is a sum S1. S1, it means sum of one term. One term, it means first term. So place the value of n is a 1 in Sn. 4 into 1 minus 1 square. 4 1 is a 4. 1 square is a 1. That is a 3. यानी कि first term is a 3. A1 is a 3. A1. Second term, it means A2. First of all, we find S2, sum of two term. S2, it means we place n is a 2. 4 into 2 minus 2 square. 4 2 is a 8 minus 2 square is a 4. And S2, sum of two term is a 4. Okay, student, sum of two term is a 4. Okay, first term is a 3. First term is a 3. So beta A2 is equal S2. S2, it means first term plus second term minus S1 first term. It means we got a second term. So S2 is a 4 minus S1. S1 is a A1 that is a 3. So A2 is a 1. And same as it is beta A3 is a, we directly find from here A3 is a S3, sum of three terms minus sum of two term, we got a third term. S3, place n is equals 3 in Sn. 4 into 3 minus 3 square, big bracket close, that is the S3. And next is the S2 is a 4 minus 4. 4 3 is a 12 minus 3 3 is a 9 minus 4. 12 minus 9 minus 4. So beta these two numbers are negative, so that is the 13 negative and that is the 12. So A3 is a minus 1. A3 is a minus 1. Same as it is beta A10, 10th term. It means that is the S10 minus S9. S10 minus S9. S10, it means in formula Sn we place n is equals 10. 4 into 10 minus 10 square, big bracket close, minus S9. S9 it means place n is a 9. 4 into 9 minus 9 square, big bracket close. Solve it. 4 times are 40 minus 10 square 100 minus 4 nines are 36 minus 9 square 81. Okay beta, that is the minus 60 and that is a minus, एंड यहाँ से इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे बेटा 11 11 में से 6 5 एंड दैट इज द 7 7 में से 3 4 45 नेगेटिव 45 नेगेटिव 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 पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव 45 एंड बेटा वी गॉट द वैल्यू ऑफ 10th टर्म A10 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लेंगे बेटा. सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के बाद वी गॉट अ 15 नेगेटिव. 10th टर्म इज अ minus 15 and some is say find the nth term also. So beta nth term an it means अभी बेटा हमने A10 फाइंड आउट किया 10th टर्म. इट मीन्स दैट इज द सम ऑफ 10 टर्म माइनस सम ऑफ 9 टर्म. A3 फाइंड आउट किया हमने. It means sum of 3 terms minus sum of 2 terms. So that is follow a pattern. So according to it, that is the sum of n term minus sum of n minus 1 term. So beta, what is the Sn? Sn is given already. Sn is a 4n minus n square. That is the Sn. And what we need here, sum of n minus 1 term. So beta, place n, replace the n in term of n minus 1. So big bracket start 4 into n minus 1 minus n minus 1 whole square. I am placed the value of n in the Sn, that is given 4n minus n square, and n is replaced to by a n minus 1. Okay beta, let's open it. 4n minus n square minus ब्रैकेट के अंदर मल्टीप्लीकेशन कराएंगे बेटा. 4n माइनस 4 माइनस यहाँ पर बेटा a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर ओपन होगा. तो a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर ओपन करेंगे. a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर 1 स्क्वायर इज अ 1 माइनस 2ab 2a is a n 2n into b is a 1. It means that is a 2n. Okay, big bracket close. 4n minus n square minus big bracket 4n माइनस 4 माइनस सभी साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे ब्रैकेट के अंदर बेटा. माइनस n स्क्वायर माइनस 1 प्लस 2n. 4n माइनस n स्क्वायर माइनस बेटा 4n positive 2n positive. It means that is a 6n positive, but this minus sign is changed into a minus 6n. Okay, 4 is negative, 1 is negative, so minus 5, but this minus is changed into a plus 5. N square is a negative, minus minus plus n square. N square negative, n square positive, cancel. 4n is a negative positive, 6n is a negative, so that is beta minus 2n plus 5. That is the nth term of an AP. Okay, I hope everyone be understood. Student, yes student, question number 12 13 and 14 all are the same type. I am explain any one question from these three. So students, I am taking a question number 14. Question number 14. Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. So बेटा क्या बोला है? Odd numbers between 0 to 50. सो बेटा जो भी अपने पास 0 to 50 odd नंबर होंगे दैट इज अवर एपी. सो स्टार्टिंग कहाँ से होगी बेटा? 1 से. 1, next is 3, next is 5, and so on, and last is a 49. लास्ट इज आ 49. सो बेटा ये अपने पास ओड नंबर आ गए. हेयर ए इज आ 1, D is 3 minus 1, A2 minus A1, that is the 2, and बेटा that is the last term, यानी कि हम इसको क्या कह सकते हैं? L भी कह सकते हैं, AN भी कह सकते हैं, that is 49. After then बेटा we apply the SN formula and calculate the sum. But student, here N is not given. N is not given. So firstly beta we find the value of N to apply the formula of AN, because AN के फॉर्मूले के बेटे अपने पास AN गिवन है, D गिवन है, A गिवन है, फोर्थ एलिमेंट N नहीं गिवन है. दैट इज वी आर कैलकुलेटेड बाय द फॉर्मूला. A plus n minus 1 into D is equal AN. A is a 1 plus n is not given, same as it is, minus 1 into D is a 2 is equal AN 49. N minus 1 into 2 is equal, 1 को ट्रांसपोज करेंगे बेटा 49, 1 इधर आकर नेगेटिव, माइनस 1, इट्स मीन दैट इज द 48, एंड n माइनस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू, यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई में, इधर जाकर डिवाइड में, सो दैट इज द 24, एंड n इज इक्वल 25. n इज इक्वल 25. इट्स मीन्स बेटा here we find the S25, sum of 25 term. S now S25 n upon 2, it means 25 upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D, or n upon 2 a plus L. So beta here we apply a plus L, n upon 2 into a plus L, because a is given, L is given, so that is the simple. A is a 1 plus L is a 49. 25 upon 2 into 50, 2 25 ja 25, 6 to 5. That is the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. Answer. Understood, student? And students, same as it is question number 12. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So beta first 40 positive integer divisible by 6, it means first is a 6, second is a 12, third is a 18, and so on. So beta that is the AP. We easily pick up the A and find the D, and N is already say here 40, N is a 40. Direct we apply the SN का formula. SN is equals n upon 2 to A into 2A plus n minus 1 into D, and we calculate the sum of positive integers divisible by 6, and same as it is the 13th sum. Okay, student. Okay, student, question number 15. Statement is say a contract on a construction job specifies a penalty for a delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows: rupee 200 for the first day, rupee 250 for a second day, rupee 300 for the third day. The penalty for each succeeding day being rupee 50 more than for the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 20 days? It means beta, first day contractor pay rupee 200, second day pay 250 rupee, third day pay 300 rupee, and up to 30 days. Up to 30 days. It means that is the AP beta. A is a 200. A is 200. D. D is equal to 50 minus 200. That's a 50. And students, N number of days, that is the 30 days. N is 30. So students, we apply the sum of 30 days. S30. Sn formula S30. 30 upon 2. 2A. A is a 200 plus N 30 minus 1 into D. D is a 50. Students, 30 divided by 2, that is the 15. 200 to the 400 plus. Here is a 29. 29 multiply with 50. 29 multiply with 50. So beta हम 29 का और 50 का multiplication निकाल लेंगे, and that is the 1450. 15 into 1850 and S to 30. S30 is becomes 15 multiply with 1850. So that is the 27,750. Hence, amount of money the contractor has to pay as penalty is equals rupee 27,750. Answer. Understood, student? Yes. Let's see the question number 16. 16th question is say a sum of rupees 700 to be used to give 7 cash prize to the student of a school for their overall academic performance. It means beta sum of 700 rupee. So that is the question number 16. Sum of 700. This means that is the SN. SN is a 700. And how many cash prize beta? 7. It means N is a 7. N is a 7. If each price is rupee 20 less than its preceding price, each price is a 20 rupee less than to the preceding price. It means first price, assume that first price is 100 rupee, then the second is the 80 and third is the 60. Assume that. So according to this, then beta D is, so beta that is the decreasing series. First price is 100, second is the 80, third is a 60. So that is the decreasing series. Always in a decreasing series, D be a negative. So beta that is the D is a minus 20. D is minus 20. SN formula, we have three terms are given beta. Sn is given, n is given, d is given. What is not given here? A. So we calculate easily A by the Sn formula. N upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, big bracket close, is equal Sn. N is a 7 upon 2 into 2a. 2a is not given here, plus n is a 7 minus 1 into d is a minus 20, sn is a 700. Okay, 2a plus 6 into minus 20 is equal 700 इनटू बेटा 2 यहाँ पर डिवाइड में है, इस साइड पर ट्रांसपोज होगा मल्टीप्लाई. 7 न्यूमरेटर में है, ट्रांसपोज होने के बाद डिनोमिनेटर में. 7 1 जा 700 जा. 2a प्लस माइनस माइनस 26 जा 120 is equal 100 2 जा 200 and बेटा 2a is equal 120 नेगेटिव ट्रांसपोज होने के बाद बेटा क्या हो जाएगा? पॉजिटिव. सो दैट इज बिकम अ 320 एंड a is equal 160. a is equal 160. It means first price is 160. Hence the value of price are 160, next is a 140, next is a 120, next is 100 and next is 80 and so on. 7 price only. Okay students, I hope you are understood. Student, next question, question number 17. Statement is say, in a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school of reduce air pollution. Students ने बेटा प्लान किया कि ट्री जो है वो हम प्लांट करेंगे स्कूल के अंदर और उसके चारों तरफ एयर पोल्यूशन को रिड्यूस करने के लिए. इट वाज डिसाइडेड दैट द नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज, डिसाइड किया गया कि नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज दैट ईच सेक्शन ऑफ ईच क्लास विल प्लांटेड, कि हर एक सेक्शन हर क्लास का कितने ट्री प्लांट करेगा, विल बी द सेम एज द क्लास, वो अपनी क्लास के एज इट इज सेम करेगा प्लांट, इन विच दे आर स्टडिंग, जिस क्लास में वो स्टडी कर रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सेक्शन ऑफ क्लास फर्स्ट विल प्लांट 1 ट्री, क्लास फर्स्ट का सेक्शन जो है वो 1 ट्री प्लांट करेगा एंड द सेक्शन ऑफ क्लास सेकंड विल प्लांट 2 trees and so till the class 12th. There are 3 sections of each class. How many sections beta? 3. How many tree will be planted by the students? So let's start the student class. First to 12. 1 2 3 and so on up to 12. Okay, student. So these are the class. Okay. So this implies 3, 6, 9 and so on 36. How to write it? Because beta, that is the first class, and first class plant a one tree only, but there is a 3 section. Each section plant a tree equal to a class in which they are studying. So beta, first class have a 3 section, and every section plant a one tree. So that is a 3. Second class, every section plant a 2 tree, and here is a 3 sections. So 3 2 ja 6, same as it is 3 3 ja 9, and 12 3 ja 36. As there are 3 sections in a class. So beta, it is an AP. So beta, A is a 3, D is 6 minus 3, that is the 3, and L or AN 36, and beta N. How many classes? 12. So N is a 12. So beta, which formula of sum we apply here? Here we apply beta Sn is equals n upon 2 in bracket A plus L, because L is given, N is given here also, D is given, A is given. All are given for both formula, but second is the better. So beta S12 is a 12 upon 2 in bracket A 3 plus L is a 36, 12 6 and 36 plus 3 39. Multiply these two number. 6 9 ja 54, 4 5 carry. 6 3 ja 18, 18 plus 5 23. S12 is 234. Hence total number of tree to be planted is equal 234. Answer. Understood, students? Yes. Let's start the next question. Question number 18. Question number 18 is say that a spiral is made up of a successive semicircles with centers alternately at A and B. क्या कहा है बेटा? एक स्पाइरल बनता है जो सक्सेसिव सेमीसर्कल से बनता है, यानी कि कॉन्टिन्यूस सेमीसर्कल से बन रहा है बेटा. तो विद सेंटर्स अल्टरनेटली एट ए एंड बी, जिनके सेंटर्स जो है, जो सेमीसर्कल्स बनेंगे उनके सेंटर्स जो है वो अल्टरनेटली ए सेकंड इज बी, स्टार्टिंग विद द सेंटर एट ए. सो बेटा सपोज दैट इज द सेंटर ए एंड दैट इज द सेंटर बी. सो ए से स्टार्ट हुआ बेटा स्पाइरल, of ready 0.5, of ready 0.5. So this gap is the 0.5. okay, up to here. एंड सेकंड क्या कह रहा है बेटा, फिर बी से स्टार्ट विद बी विद रेडी 1, सो दैट इज द हाफ एंड हाफ 1. बी पर पॉइंटर प्लेस करेंगे बेटा और दैट इज a second, and same this process is going on till last. How many spiral are there? Some is say what is the total length of such a spiral made up 13 consecutive semicircles. How many semicircles? 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is the fifth. How many? Such as 13. It means n is a 13, student. N is a 13. Same as it is beta, we solve this question. L is a length of semicircle, because some is say find the length of a spiral is made by the semicircle, so we need here to calculate the length of semicircle means, so beta we here find the circumference of a semicircle. Semi-circumference, that is equal to pi r upon 2. 2 cancel out, that is the pi r. That is a pi r. Okay beta. So L1 is a L1, it means length of first semicircle. Radius is a 0.5. Pi is remains same as it is beta. L2 length of second semicircle. Radius is a 1, so that is the 1 pi. Same as it is beta. L3 is a radius is a 1.5 pi, and we got a series that is the 0. This implies 0.5 pi, 1 pi, 1.5 pi, and so on. Are in AP. So beta A is a 0.5 pi, D is a 1 pi minus 0.5 pi, A2 minus A1, so that is the 0.5 pi. 0.5 pi. N is a 13. N is 13. So बेटा अपने पास Sn के फॉर्मूले के लिए A is given, D is given, N is given. What is not given? Sn. So that is we find by the Sn formula. So students, we apply S13. 13 upon 2, 2A. A is a 0.5 pi plus n is a 13 minus 1 into d is also 0.5 pi. Okay, solve it. 13 upon 2 into, beta pi is same, so 0.5 is common out here from these two terms. So 0.5 pi is common here, 2 is remain, plus here is a 12. 13 upon 2 into 5 upon 10 into pi is a 22 upon 7 into 12 to ja 14. 7 1 ja 7 2 ja 2 1 ja 2 11 ja 5 1 ja 5 5 2 ja 10 2 1 ja 2. So what is left here? What is left here beta? 13 and 11. 11 and 13 का प्रोडक्ट कर लेंगे बेटा. 13 1 जा 13, 1 carry, 13 1 जा 13 and 1 14. That is the answer. I hope you are understood. Okay students, it is sufficient for today. Okay beta, stay at your home and stay safe. Bye.